Hey guys, so I had this product sent to me by a company. It comes in this packaging and they have a lovely note that goes with it. And it says, "These things shall never die. The pure, the bright, the beautiful, that stirred our hearts in youth, the impulses to wordless prayer, the longing after something's lost, the spirit's yearning cry, the striving after better hopes, these things can never die," by Charles Dickens. So that's really sweet. They include in their pack a 40% off coupon. I believe this run about $8, $8.99 or $8 on their website. Check Amazon. I'll put the link and see what the price is. However, you get 40% off if you follow them on Instagram, Facebook, okay? And it's called Uyrie or Uyrie. I'm not exactly sure how you will pronounce it. So I use this bag to travel. It comes with a tiny one like this in there. And of course, when you look in it, you get these mesh. Let me take this off. You get these 3 mesh compartments. You can put whatever you want in there. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4 elastic compartments that you can fit something in there as well. It comes with a drawstring that closes it and you can travel with it. It's supposed to be waterproof. I don't think it's waterproof. I think that if you dropped it in water for a second, you'll be able to pull it out really quick and your items will survive. But I don't think if you immerse this in water, your items will survive. I have this big hairspray. I'm going to check to see if that fits in elastic compartments. Let's see. Okay, so I guess it does. Will it stay in here? I guess it does. It holds it. It's able to cover it. All right. This bag is durable. However, for how long, I don't think that it will survive too long of a use because the sewing is quite big. You use this for maybe 10 trips, it might start giving up on you a little bit. I love it because it came in handy. I was traveling for a funeral and I was able to use this. I put my toiletries in there. I packed it up, and what I did was I overpacked it so you guys could see how full it could be, how much items it could take. I will put the link in the description box, guys. If you like this or you like any of your other looks, they have a butterfly look, they have this one, they have a striped. So whichever one you like, make sure to click on the link and purchase them. I don't make anything whatsoever if you buy these items or not. The company reached out to me and wanted me to give their cosmetic bag a go, and I used it. I traveled with it. It came back safely. I overpacked it twice just to see how much tension, how much wear and tear it would take, and I think that it will do pretty good for a couple of times. Looking at the sewing and the fact that I sew, I can tell that with multiple uses will be a no good in my opinion. However, it depends on how gentle you are with it or how rough you are with it. It is big enough. It takes, you know, big products, takes small products. I probably will use it next time for jewelry because I like how I can just package it and throw it in my handbag or throw it in a handheld bag that I can take to the plane, because I don't like to pack my jewelry and leave it in the suitcase. I don't want it to mess it up. follow them on Instagram. Facebook, it's called Uyrie, Uyrie. On Instagram, it's Uyrie, Uyrie_official. And when you follow them, I believe they're able to give you 40% discount. So make sure you get your discount. If you don't care, you just want to spend $8, sure, go ahead. The bag also comes with this clear plastic, which I think you can pack maybe your brushes in, you know, in there. 2, 3, let's see, 4. Can I add one more? Let's see. One big one. Will it fit? Yeah, okay. And it comes with a snap. You can put that, so you know you can reuse this bag or you can throw it away. I hope this comes in handy for you and you are able to use it for whatever you want. Makeup, medications, even though it says it's a makeup toiletry bag, honey, you use whatever you want for whatever you want. So if you want to use this for medicine bag, hair accessories, makeup bag, is up to you. Whatever you want. That's the end of the video. I hope that you will give this product a try. My honest review to you is that this product is average. It is not $25. It is less than $10. It's sewn well. It is not the best. I mean, they're like hanging threads here and there. It's sewn large, and so I don't know how long it will take before it gives. However, I think you can get multiple uses out of them. If you're looking for something cheap, less than $10 to put your makeup or your items in, this is where to go. Check them out, and if you do, let me know what you're using yours for. Okay, I will see you in my next video.